Hey folks, I just wanted to give you a very quick walkthrough of what we need to do as we move forward here. This is what work from home looks like. Um, I wanted to show you first and foremost, sort of, these are the number of assignments that have been turned in. So last week we should have gotten the SA3 answers and questions and answers in, and the SA3 introductory paragraph. So those numbers are really low right now. You can see 10 students did the SA2 rough draft. Actually, a couple more did than that. We've got 20 students in the class. I don't think we're actually at 20. We've got a couple students who checked out prior to spring break. So I don't expect to see 20, but I do expect to see about 15, I would say. And so I want to make sure that folks get this stuff turned in. So I want to walk you through how to go about doing this and sort of how to interact with our class moving forward. But let's go ahead and get into our class. This is the main page of our class. So announcements will be here. I'll add weekly announcements probably, so I'll put another one up here. So first and foremost, this button here, set up an appointment with Professor Nicholas. If you click this, it will open up that ability to schedule an appointment.
I did a single puzzle and it was not there.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Let's take a look at that in just a second. If you click this button right here, it'll open up the ability to set up an appointment. We can do that via phone. We can do that via Google Meet, which is a video conference, a lot like FaceTime. We've got a lot of options there, and I actually have time slots from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. set up. So if you want to chat, and you can set up a once a week meeting with me, I'm perfectly fine with that, or more, whatever. Hit that button and set it up, and we will take care of getting an appointment scheduled. Okay? Now, everything is loaded up in content. You're going to click on content. Everything here looks a lot like it did prior to before we went online. However, the real changes here are there is a course schedule laid out. That's going to be a week by week schedule. Assignments are typically due Mondays, although might have alternate turn-in dates as well. Okay, so take a look at that. You'll see sort of when things are due here. All the stuff we had prior, SA 1, 2, and 3 is still there. I didn't take anything out, but the bulk of our work will be in weekly content. And if we go into there, we'll see units 3 and 4. Unit 3 being SA3, unit 4 being SA4. And then each week you're going to see like a to-do list of all the stuff that is due. So this is actually back week 9, which is just a couple weeks ago. That was sort of spring break week. All I really need you guys to do out of this was, yeah, you can get down, was to set up, get your research questions in. Week 9's material, so there's a to-do list located right here, and then everything you need for the to-do list is linked down here in order. I try to keep it in order at least, okay? Actually just go through that to-do list, do everything on the list, and you should be in good shape. I want to take a look at week 11, which is this week. So do go back, and for week 9 and 10, make sure those couple assignments get in. That is the SA3 research questions, which you guys had done before break. It's just that I hand them back to you, I think. So I don't have copies of them. So turn in your questions and your answers. I'll get grades in the grade book for those. Okay. And then get into week 11. Okay. Now, week 11 here is pretty simple. I sent everyone a Google Drive link. That came out on Saturday, I think. What I want you to do is to go in, look at the evaluating sources link here, and then a sample evaluation worksheet, and then do the evaluation for your own sources, okay? Every week, there will be this weekly video. Watch it. It's going to save you. It's going to kind of walk you through what you need to do each week, okay? So that's what we need to do this week. This is how the rest of the semester is going to run, okay? You come in. Generally, stuff's going to be due on Monday. The weeks run Monday to Monday. There are weeks, however, where you'll have multiple due dates, so always kind of work ahead, check it out, and see what you need to do to keep up, okay? If you've got questions along the way, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here to help, and I want you to be successful, and I think we can do this online and do it well, okay? So if you've got questions, just let me know, and I will take care of you.